Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. It's been a really long time and I'm here back with another video. Actually, I was setting up my home. We have painted our home, so it's taking a little time to set it up and share the videos with you guys. So in the meanwhile, I wanted to share with you guys all the products that I have purchased for my home to set it up. So I'll give all the links to the Amazon products in the description box below and you guys can check it out. So let's start with today's video. So the first product that I'm going to share with you guys is this beautiful carpet. The size of this carpet is 4 feet by 6 feet. As you can see, it has got a beautiful intricate work. I have preferred light colors this time for my living space, as I have used a dark color for one of the wall in my living space. I'll be soon doing a video on my living room makeover. So only drawback that I felt with this carpet was that whenever I cleaned or whenever I wiped this carpet with the broomstick or with the carpet cleaner, you can see a lot of wool coming out. So that's the only drawback of this carpet, but otherwise it's a perfect one for my living space. So here is the second product which I purchased, and it's my favorite product out of all the products I have purchased. It's a table lamp, and I just loved it because of that distress painting they have used. And you can see it is adding a beautiful vibe to my entire space. And look at this distress painting. I'm actually in love with it, and it's a perfect find for my living space. So the next product that I purchased for my living space was these wallpapers. These wallpapers are really very beautiful and easy to stick. I have stuck them over the glass. This is actually a showcase which I have transformed like this. I have given the before picture here. So whenever we want to remove them, it's easy to remove these wallpapers. The easiest method to transform any space in no time is to use wallpaper. So here is the next product. It's a beautiful wall light from Amazon, and as you can see the beautiful intricate work it has got. Actually this light is not in stock in Amazon right now, so I'll give a similar product link in the description box below. You guys can check it out. So here is the next product. Actually these are beautiful candlelight holders which my husband actually got for his office purpose, but later felt these are really very big for the office use, so hence we decided to return it. But I actually liked it and I wanted to use them for Diwali, and hence I have retained them. It's a beautiful piece from Home Center. So the next product that I got from my living space was these cream color curtains. As you can see, they are very good in preventing the sunlight. They are really very thick. As I already told you guys, I wanted to use light colors this time in my living space. So you can see how thick the cloth is. It's really very good quality. So the next product that I'm going to share with you guys is these linen curtains. As you guys can see, the linen curtains will be little transparent. So I have mixed matched these linen curtains and the curtains which I showed before, so that a decent amount of sunlight is blocked in my living space. So next product is this tablecloth. This tablecloth actually is a 2-seater tablecloth, because I got 4-seater tablecloth initially. It was actually very big for my dining table. As you all know, my dining table is really very small and compact. So that's the reason I have used this 2-seater tablecloth here, and it's perfect for my dining table. I'm just planning to install some tassels or something else to make it more attractive, which I'll show you guys in the makeover video. So the next product that I got was these wallpapers, and these are really very beautiful wallpaper. I got these alone from Flipkart because the Asian paint wallpapers were not available on Amazon. As you guys can see, it has given a completely new look to my wardrobe, and I'm pasting here the before picture for your reference. I also got these 3D wallpapers which I am planning to use on my electric board. These are really very good in quality and also can give a good decent look if used on the walls. I got a lot of cushions for my living space. As you can see, these beautiful pair of cushions, I just love them. They're really very good in quality. The material is actually jute, and these give a beautiful boho vibe to a living space. These are another pair of cushion covers which I purchased. The size is 12 inch by 12 inch. They're really very beautiful and cute and give a good look to your living space. I highly recommend this product. I also recommended this to my client because I love them. I also got this cushion cover. As you guys can see, it has tassels and beautiful work on it. I just loved it. And it's also like a jute material. I highly recommend this product. The next two products that I'm going to share with you guys are products which I got from FB Marketplace. Is this plant stand and the bamboo divider. The plant stand cost 1000 rupees and the bamboo divider costed me like 1500 rupees. I use this bamboo divider as a backdrop for my Ganapati puja and also for my Varalakshmi Vratam. If you guys are following me on Insta, you guys would have known. But if you are not following me, I have given the link in the description box below. Kindly follow me there. I regularly post updates on my Insta. So the next product that I purchased was this washing machine cover. As you guys can see, the color is little bright because my balcony gets dusty very soon. So I wanted something which I could maintain easily. Hence I opted for a darker shade color. I also got these cute printed cushion covers, but I have no idea where I'm going to use them. But actually I loved them and I got them. So you can see the cushion covers are really very cute. If you guys want to add some colorful cushions, then you guys must try these. These are really very pretty. So the next product that I got are these artificial hanging succulent plant, and you can see these are really very good in quality, and these can be added in any space which gets zero sunlight, because adding a plant is going to give a beautiful vibe to that space. So hence I have got these beautiful artificial succulents. I also purchased this cushion cover, but I'm not actually very happy with this because like whenever we sit, these tassels get crushed, and I'm not really very happy with it. I won't recommend this product, but it's kind of okay cushion cover. And the next product that I have purchased is this artificial hanging plant. I just loved it. So it's really very good in quality, and if you want to add, as I said, if you want to add a plant in a place which gets zero sunlight, then you can use these. I also purchased this wallpaper, but I have no idea where I'm going to use it, but this is really very good in quality, and you can see the quantity is also more actually for this wallpaper comparatively to the other wallpapers which I purchased, and it's also very good in quality. And here comes the final product, friends. It's this photo grid which I'm planning to use in my daughter's room. So that's it for today, friends. I hope you guys would have liked today's video, and if you found these products interesting, please don't forget to check them out. I have given all the links in the description box below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting bell icon so you get notifications of all our future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.